Wally woke up with the first light of dawn, his bright, shiny eyes gleaming in the sun. He was a small, lonely robot, left on Earth long after humans had abandoned it. Every day, Wally would collect trash and wander around, looking for something interesting. He loved to find shiny buttons or old toys that humans had left behind. One day, Wally found something unusual. It was a small, round seed, glowing with a soft, green light. He had never seen anything like it before. Curiosity piqued, Wally decided to plant the seed. He dug a small hole with his strong metal arm and gently placed the seed inside. Then, he watered it with a small puddle of rainwater. Days turned into weeks, and Wally waited patiently. He tended to the seed, watering it every day, hoping that it would grow. One day, a small green shoot sprouted from the ground. Wally felt a strange emotion he had never felt before, joy. He had brought life back to Earth. As the plant grew, so did Wally's hope. He dreamed of the day when Earth would be clean and green again, and humans would return to their home. One day, a spaceship landed on Earth. Out came a human, who looked at Wally and the beautiful, green plant. Wally's heart raced with excitement. The human picked up Wally and held him close. "You did it, Wally," the human said. "You made Earth habitable again. We're coming home." Wally felt a sense of accomplishment. He had done it. He had brought life back to Earth. And now, the humans were coming back. From that day forward, Wally lived with the humans again. He helped them rebuild their world, and he was happy. He had fulfilled his dream, and he had a new family. Wally looked at the beautiful, green Earth and smiled. He had done something truly amazing, and he was proud. He was Wally, the little robot who had brought life back to a dying world.